Of course, we all want to create amazing experiences for our customers, but we all know what happens. Traditional journey maps look great on a whiteboard, then just sit there gathering dust. That's why we built Question Pro Journey Management. We turn static maps into living, breathing stories that actually drive change. Building journeys shouldn't take days. Kick things off instantly by importing your map structure directly from an Excel file. Instead of spending hours analyzing research, Journey AI reads your customer interview transcripts for you. It identifies key themes and actual human emotions, turning raw notes into a visual journey in minutes. To truly understand your audience, the AI Persona Creator builds dynamic customer profiles using real behaviors and feedback with zero manual effort. A map is only useful if it reflects reality. The metrics lane pulls live voice of the customer data, like NPS and CSAT, directly onto the map, showing exactly how people feel at every step. Need to get specific? Metrics drill down filters the noise, focusing on the exact group of customers you need to help. And when it's time to share insights, the Layers feature hides the clutter. Select specific lanes, save a custom view, and grab a clean screenshot to tell a focused story. It's not just about asking, what does the journey look like? It's about asking, how do we make it better? Identify pain points, link them to real initiatives, track the impact of your work. See how to start managing your journeys at questionpro.com/cx.